I'm John Costa. I'm the parts manager here at Blackdog Speed Shop. Today we're going to go over some of the stuff that we install on cars here. We've got some Garrett turbos, GM Performance supercharger, Brembo brake caliper. These are actually custom drive shaft couplers we make for Corvettes. Some lowering springs, carburetor, Holley accessories, and then we even have custom carbon fiber bumpers, doors, fenders for Corvettes. We actually own the molds on them, so they're custom. Here at Blackdog, over the past 20 years, I found just about anything I've ever needed for cars. Even if you know what you want or you don't know what you want, feel free to give me a call. Everything you see here is of the utmost quality. We don't use anything but the best here at Blackdog. Coming in harder to find parts, body parts, stuff like that. We can definitely find them, whether it's going through a list of vendors that we use commonly or custom stuff we can make for you. We can probably get it done here at Blackdog. We're not just a speed shop, we also race cars. These are one of our custom parts. We drive them hard and we found the weak point on a Corvette. This is a drive shaft coupler. This was usually rubber from the factory. They break. This was the weak point and we decided to correct it by making them out of billet aluminum. These are available on our website to order, along with just about any other part you could ever dream of. Also finding the weak points, we also found strong points, carbon fiber. We do make custom carbon fiber body parts for Corvettes, including hoods, fenders, bumpers, and doors. Also for 5th gen Camaros, we offer the hoods, doors, fenders, bumpers, and even deck lids. They are a lot lighter, a lot stronger. So if you want to go fast, obviously less weight is good. I just want to thank you for listening to my spiel today about all the parts we got here at Blackdog. Once again, everything's available on our website, www.blackdogspeedshop.com, or you can call me directly, 847-634-7534. I'm at extension 111. Once again, thank you.